Hello and welcome to Mashable's Air Friday, where we air fry anything and everything in the name of deliciousness. My name is Tim Marson and I'm a culture reporter at Mashable. And this week for Air Friday, we are air frying chicken skewers. Now, for those of you following along at home, simply click on the icons throughout the video to shop the products that we use. This week's recipe comes from TikTok, from an account called everything_delish, and it's yogurt marinated chicken, and then you're gonna put it in a skewer and then just air fry it. Now the marinade I did ahead of time because it needed time to marinate. They say to do at least an hour. I did it probably for about 4. What we got in here is just Greek yogurt, spices, and that's it. So I did salt, pepper, paprika, cayenne, some herbs, like some dried herbs, and that's really about it. It should be really simple. Now the yogurt should tenderize the meat a little bit and hopefully make it a little bit juicier at the end of the cooking process. It's just chicken breast cubed up into about like 1 inch by 1 inch, just big enough so you can fit it on a skewer, and then it should cook pretty fast. So all I'm gonna do is take these pieces of chicken and drop them right onto a skewer. Now be careful, don't poke through your fingers, don't give yourself any injuries. Just like that. This is already seasoned, it's already marinated. You don't have to wash the marinade off according to the recipe. It's just really simple. So I'm gonna repeat that process. You're just looking for your typical kebab. I'm gonna repeat this process until I don't have any chicken left, and then we're gonna get in the air fryer. Beautiful skewers of chicken. I'm gonna go thoroughly wash my hands. Now it's time to get our chicken into the air fryer. The recipe from Everything Delish on TikTok says you wanna go for about 10 to 13 minutes at 400 degrees. Now, if you don't wanna guesstimate, I really recommend you use a meat thermometer. It's the best tool in the kitchen if you cook meat. You don't ever have to worry about, did I undercook it? Is it gonna be safe to eat? You don't have to worry about, did I overcook it? Is it gonna be hard to eat? You wanna get to about 165 degrees, at least for chicken. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it in there for probably at least 10 minutes and see where we're at and test some of the pieces as we go. So 10 minutes, 400 degrees, maybe longer. We'll have to see. I'm just gonna spray, drop them in, and then we'll go. Another critical thing, make sure your skewers can fit in your basket. I can basically fit 2 of these going lengthwise like that. It might be tight, so just make sure you get skewers that are the correct size. All right, 10 minutes, 400 degrees. Okay, so our chicken has been cooking for a while now, probably closer to like 15 to 17 minutes rather than 10 to 13. My air fryer might just not be as hot as the one from the TikTok. But anyway, we have some chicken cooked to 165 degrees. On the skewers, looks pretty good. Looks kind of like, you know, grilled chicken-y sort of deal. We're gonna take the kebabs out, put them right on the plate. And then to finish, the TikTok says you could use, you know, herbs like dill and lemon. I'm just gonna do some lemon just to keep it simple. Squeeze a little lemon over it. All right, moment of truth. Let's try some chicken. I'm just gonna slide a piece off just to give one taste. Looks pretty good, has some nice char to it. Inside looks juicy. Yeah, that's really good. That's like, got a nice tang from the yogurt, the seasoned well, and the lemon over top is really great. I think this would be perfect for like putting over a salad or, you know, anything with dinner where you just want something like, you know, do some veggies with this. That'd be great. I think, yeah, I would definitely give this a try. And unlike some other TikTok air fry recipes, this feels like real food instead of something gimmicky. Definitely a good recipe to give a go.